Hi D4. This week we've been talking about the Very Hungry Caterpillar. So I thought that we could do a craft that we can make our own caterpillar. See, it's a number caterpillar. And it's a number caterpillar because it has numbers on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to show you how to make your own number caterpillar. So to make your caterpillar, you're going to need a paper plate, something circular that's the shape of a circle, so you can trace it and make your circles for the caterpillar. You're going to need scissors, a marker, and a pencil, a glue stick, and then you're going to need construction paper, different colors, or you can just use white and then have them color the different circles or paint the circles. So to get started, first you're going to start tracing your circles. And you're going to need 6 circles. So I already have my circles pre-cut right here. But I'll just show you how to trace. So you're just going to put your circle on the paper like this. And then you're going to trace around it. And you might need a parent or guardian's help to do this. But you're going to trace around it. And then once you trace it, you should see a circle, and then you're going to cut it out with your scissors. So once you do that, now we're going to make our caterpillar body. So to do that, you're going to need your paper plate. And we're going to cut the paper plate out so we can make the letter C. We're going to make the letter C for the caterpillar body. So to do that, you're going to need your marker. And you're going to, see if I can do it this way. Draw a line down. Go maybe that far down. And then you're going to make a wide C. About that far, and then you're going to bring it in and close it. So it should look like that. Okay? So now I'm going to put my cap back on, and now we're going to use our scissors. So, parents, you guys can do hand over hand with them, or if they're good at cutting, they can do it independently. But you're just going to follow that black line all the way around. There. And you have your letter C for the caterpillar body. So now we're going to start building our caterpillar. So you're going to use the bottom of the plate, so the part of the plate that's, not the design. And you're going to start gluing on your circles. First, we need to put something on the caterpillar's head. What's missing? What does this caterpillar have on its head? You're right, I need to put eyes and a mouth on the caterpillar. And antenna. So, let's see. I'll do the eyes and the mouth first, and then we can do the antenna when it's all done. So, do mouth and eyes. Now my caterpillar has a face. So I'm going to glue the caterpillar head onto the body. onto the paper plate body. Back. There we go. Just started the caterpillar. So now we're going to start with the numbers. So I'm going to do numbers 1 through 5 again. So I'm going to start with my green circle. And I'm going to put the number 1 on it. So let's see. 1. See? I wrote the number 1. So now I'm going to use my glue to glue the number 1 on. Okay, so it's got some glue on it. So now we're going to glue the number 1 on. And you just want to leave a little bit of space so that way there's enough room for all of the numbers. So I'm going to put it like right there and then stick it. Put a little bit more glue. There we go. Okay, so I have the number 1 on my caterpillar. What number comes next? 1, 2. That's right. I need to put the number 2. So I'm going to write the number 2 on my next circle. 2. So now I'm going to put some glue on my number 2. Let's see. That way. So put some glue on it. And now I can stick it on. So put the 2 right there. There. Now I've got 1, 2. What comes next? 3. You're right. So now I'm going to write the number 3 on my circle. Three. So I'm going to put some glue on my number 3. Then we can glue it onto the body. So we have 1. Oh, just kidding. We have 1, 2, 3. What comes next? 4. That's right. So now I'm going to write the number 4. Can you write the number 4? Let's see. Here's my number 4. So now I'm going to put some glue on it. And we're going to stick it on. So you have 3, 4. Press it. Add a little bit more glue so it doesn't fall off. There we go. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. What number is missing? 4, 5. We need a number 5. So I'm going to write the number 5 on my last circle. 5. So now we can put glue on our number 5. Okay, let's make sure it's on well. Add a little bit more glue. Push, press, press, press. There we go. I made my number caterpillar. But it's missing one thing. Do you remember what we need to put on its head? That's right, we need to put antenna on its head. So to do that, I'm going to use brown paper, and I'm going to make a rectangle, a very small rectangle. So let's see. You can just cut it out of normal paper, or what I did was I cut out a circle, like the other circles that we did, and then I folded it in half, and then I drew I'll show you. I drew a rectangle down. So we'll do I just drew a rectangle down like this, so that way when I cut it out, it'll be one big rectangle, and then I'll just cut it in half. But you can do it however you want. That's just the way I decided to do it. So I'm gonna cut it out, and then you see it's a big rectangle. So then I'm just gonna cut it in half, like that. Make 2 rectangles. So now I'm going to glue my antenna on. So I'm going to take a little bit of glue on this. Okay. I'm going to do 1. Then do the other one. 2. And there you go. Your number caterpillar is all done. Isn't that cool? Thanks for crafting with me, D4. Bye.